What's up, everybody? Today I opened a box I received from Pokey Roki. Let's see what I have. Sorry for the noise. Too much noise. Sorry for that. At least it's well packed in the bubble wrap. Always love this. Let's keep the PSA for the end. Let's see what I have. Oh, nice. Full hard trainer. It shows GX. Oregon GX. It shows full hard. From Evolution. Nice card. Oof. Not best shape, but still. So all of this, pretty sure it's a raffle I won. I really love this one. Oh, gorgeous. So what do you think? It's those three bad boys. Moltres, Promo Black Stars, 9. Zapdos Promo, 9. And you probably know what the last one is. Articuno, PSA 8. So those three bad boys. So next one, I bought those on eBay. I think I had a good deal, but who knows? It's a nice little Hachian I won. 3 rocket pack for my collection. I will have those 2 my booster pack collection. If you want to see them all, it's first edition and first edition. Another one, and those one too. Right in my fossil box to keep them forever. So thanks a lot, Pokeroki and eBay, of course, for the cheap auction for the 3 pack. I pay like $100 if I'm right. Pretty sure I'm good in value. So thanks everybody. See you soon. Bye.